Acer Nitro 5 7th General Intel Core i5-7300HQ Gaming Laptop AN515-51-56U0. Review Deal Discount Unboxing Setup. I got this to play WoW, Diablo 3, and Overwatch on. And it does great even on max settings. It is good. Maybe not the best on the high-end graphics, but I'm really happy with it. I read a review saying the sound was bad, but I think it's just fine. Also there was a review or two showing the hinges busted. It is a little scary feeling, but 3 weeks in and it seems fine. I really do worry about the hinges, but everything else is great, and if you're not constantly closing and opening this like I am, then the hinges won't be an issue. To be clear about the hinge, there is only one very small less than 1-inch connection on each side that holds the screen onto the base. It does feel like you could break that small bit easily if you aren't careful. If it helps, I'll say it again, it handles the Blizzard titles pretty well even on the higher graphics. HOTS has some pop-in on the highest graphics and it is very noticeable, but just a step or two down from max and it's great. And the sound is good. Not the richest sounds, but it is great for a gaming laptop at this price point. The hinge is fine for me so far, constantly closing, opening it every time I use the laptop, which is twice a day, at least every day for nearly 4 weeks now. My only concern is the hinge. If you're going to leave this open, then, yeah, this is great. Speakers are better than advertised, handles WoW, D3, HOTS, and even Overwatch no problems at all. I'm happy. Overall great product, highly recommended. Special discounts on product. Get the discount link in the description box.